Your dreams can become your reality. It is all up to you. It's the choices we make on a daily basis that either keeps us back or push us forward. Should you be looking at new ways to earn additional income, or you would like to start a new business and earn your own income, then the Legacy Builders program is the business that can work for you. It is a fully automated business with a website working in the background, even if you are not in the office. It is a step-by-step blueprint that you use to set up and to launch your business. Over 5,000 people in South Africa are currently doing it, with more than 50,000 worldwide. It is a proven recipe, and it works. Should you be more interested in finding out about the Legacy Builders program, in the comment section down below, leave for me, show me, and I'll come back to you with information that will help you make that informed decision to break those daily chains that are keeping us back and keeping us down, and to change your life for the better. Thanks.